be unboxing the 3-in-1 lens from FINNKARE. So take a look at the box. We have the front, the side. As you can see, those are the 3 lenses included. The back. And the other side, which is a reflection of this side. Alright, let's get this opened. Be right back. Alright, so we got it open. And now let's unbox this. Alright, so we have this little pull-out thing here. Cool. Alright, so we have, looks like, okay, let's see. Alright, so we have, a nice pouch. It's like a suede material. It says FINNKARE on it, which is really cool. To protect your lenses. You don't want them to get scratched. Alright, so we'll go left to right. Next we have the clip. Right here. Very sturdy. Feels very good quality. And it also has like a little pad right here, so you won't scratch up your phone. Really nice. Alright. Alright, the next item we'll get is the small lens. We have the macro lens, and then we also have the fisheye lens. Right there. So it's a 2-in-1 right here. You just twist this off. Right here, and then you have another lens right there. Alright, and then you have this little covering. So you can put on the clip and screw it on there. Alright, and then last but not least, we have the 0.4 wide lens. Alright, let's get the lens out. Alright, here we go. And let's go and put this to the side. Oh, and there's also a user manual guide. The super wide 0.4 lens, the fisheye lens, and the macro lens. Alright, and now let's go on to this lens. I'm gonna get it off the rear back. Alright, there we go. We got the lid or cap off. This is what it looks like. And then we also have the other lid. Alright, now let's go and put it on the clip. Alright, there we go. We just twist it on there. And let's go and attach it to our phone. We'll take our phone off the mount. The mount, and be right back. Alright, so we got our phone off the mount, and let's go ahead and attach the super wide angle lens. The 180 degrees one is right here with the macro lens. So the fisheye and that one will be next. But first we're going to do the super wide, super 4 lens. 3, 2, 1. Alright, there we go. So here's the lens in action. Alright, so we're going to be looking at this. And we're going to take it off in 3, 2, 1. See, it's like, it makes it more wide, so it fills up the whole, like, area, which is really nice. now let's go ahead and put this one on the clip and test it out. Alright, so we got the fisheye lens. Alright, we're gonna test this one out in 3, 2, 1. Alright, there we go. This is the fisheye lens. Let's get this one. Alright, so let's go ahead and take it off in 3, 2, 1. And put it back on. There we go. So it's a big difference. It's kind of like the wide lens. Now, last but not least, let's do the macro lens. Alright, so we got the macro lens. And now let's put it on in 3, 2, 1. So as you can see, it's only for close-ups, which is still kind of blurry. Even if I focus. Right now I could see the difference. It looks pretty good. Alright, so out of the 3 lenses, I liked the wide lens the most. Mainly because it just widens it, which is really cool. Alright, and once you're done, you can just put them in the baggie. Or, yeah, the bag. It's a very nice material too. It's like suede. Just gonna put them in here, fit nice and snug in there, and there we go. Overall, this is a very, very good product. Very cheap, the best, cheapest lens you can get out there. Link in the description to buy this, and I'll see you guys in the next unboxing and review. Peace out.